tonight I'm going to have the Korean Shin Ramyun Black. Okay, so there's several ways to cook this. I'm gonna show you my own style of it. This considered to be one of the best instant ramen out there, and there's a million, probably million reviews on this. But I'm gonna put it on my own style. So let's do it. You can use different pot to cook this. Water, most important thing. It's really hard to get the right amount of water usage on one pack of ramen. It says, let's see, 500 milliliter of water is enough. Exactly one size of little water bottle. So I'm gonna pull it in. Power. Ha. Now turn the light on. Oh, wrong one. So there are several ways to do the instant ramen. Some says different the broth to put in first and second and third, but my preference is you gotta rip this off. Let's do this. Okay. So when you open it, there's a pack, the flakes, the beef bone broth, and third one is the soup base, the traditional, the red one. You always have to put, for this particular Shin Ramyun Black, you have to put the beef bone broth first. There will be a lot of debate, but I'm gonna do my way, okay? Speed go in. There it goes. Do you see the color changes? Beef bone broth, and that considered to be the game changer for everything. This is a little bit pricey. I think it's like it goes like $3.99 at Korean market or Japanese market $4.99. Here in the US, it's worth it. So when the broth is getting a little bit hotter, I usually put the flakes first to get the flavor. Stir a little bit. While the broth gets warm and hot and boil, I'm gonna prepare egg and some what do you call it? Onion to put. Well, there's onion inside actually, so I don't need onions. Just the egg. I'm using the free cage egg. It's organic. 6 extra large brown eggs. I don't know if this is considered to be extra large, but the powder you put in first, and the flake goes in when, and the noodle goes in when, and the egg goes in when. Feels like, you know, it really don't matter. Put it in, everything together, and start boiling. Does that make any difference? But you know, when you think about the espresso over hot water and espresso later, they call it differently. One is Americano, one is long black. What's the difference? I'm not sure. Do you know? Let me know. But this is how I do it. Put the beef bone broth first, flake later. When it starts boiling, then I put the noodle. And there are some people who actually break in half and put it in. There are some people just put it as a whole. Let it soak. And then as soon as the noodles are in, I put the soup base. I always put the flame in the middle, let the noodles soak, and then at this point you have to put the egg in. You put the egg as on whole, and I don't stir as much. Some people break it. While you're doing it, it's always good to have your noodles to have a breathe. It doesn't like get overcooked. And we have a special guest. What do you think about? What do you think? Give me some food. Give me some food. Give me some food. This is not yours. So there are different tactics, but this is how I usually do. I think when noodles are halfway done or 60-70% done, what you do is turn off the stove and put the lid on and let it sit for about a minute. It's always the best. You eat it off of the pot. We usually eat with the kimchi, so let's prepare. Hot, hot, hot. This is what I was talking about. Egg as a whole. 맛있죠? The crying. All gone. All done.